our party, Mami Fatima. Yay! Ayan tayo, Mami. Sama ko natin sa ating Amira. Ayan, sit down kayo parehas sa ating trono. Ayan, ate. Sit down. Nag-fashion show si Mami. Alright, of course, Amira, I am now declaring you as the prince of the Hello Kitty Island. We will sing a very happy birthday song for our birthday girl. Let's clap our hands, everybody. Day to you. Happy birthday. Louder, I can hear you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy
birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Alright, of course, Ate Amira, can you welcome your guests here at Jollibee?
Welcome to all of them.
Palakpakan natin si Ate Amira. Of course, si Ate Amira, nagpunta siya dito kahapon. She practiced her performance today. Okay, do you have a performance today, Ate Amira? She will sing for us. Okay.